I mean, it's really come as quite a shock to me that there's this level of really hatred from the left. I always thought the left, or Democrats, were supposed to be the party of empathy, the party of caring, and yet they're burning down cars, they're firebombing dealerships, they're firing bullet dealerships, they're just smashing up Teslas. Tesla is a peaceful company. We've never done anything harmful. I've never done anything harmful. I've only done productive things. So I think we just have a deranged. There's some kind of mental illness thing going on here, because this doesn't make any sense. And I think there are larger forces at work as well. I mean, I don't know who's funding it and who's coordinating it, because this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
I really think MAGA underestimated Democrats. The left was seen as those people that are just like, oh yeah, they're just there, they're waiting for rules and orders and everything. They're showing up and they're showing off. This is why we keep on saying, ladies and gentlemen, the black dollar speaks louder. No, because if he was the ones that were buying Tesla so much, why are you running bankrupt? I'm just saying.
I have to ask, why? Why do I see people like, I woke up this morning and saw that Teslas were put ablaze in one of your dealerships in Vegas. I've seen this happen all over the country. Bullets are being fired, charging stations are put ablaze, Teslas are being put ablaze. You have experienced assassination, threats of assassination for you and your family. What have you done that warrants this? Because I see nothing that you have done except help our country.
Yeah, I mean, it's really come as quite a shock to me that there's this level of really hatred and violence from the left. I always thought the left, or Democrats, were supposed to be the party of empathy, the party of caring, and yet they're burning down cars, they're firebombing dealerships, they're firing bullets into dealerships, they're just smashing up Teslas. Tesla is a peaceful company. We've never done anything harmful. I've never done anything harmful. I've only done productive things. So I think we just have a deranged. There's some kind of mental illness thing going on here, because this doesn't make any sense.
Yeah,
and I think there are larger forces at work as well. I mean, I don't know who's funding it and who's coordinating it, because this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
It's a pity to make it look like, oh, it's these Democrats literally that are so angry. Like I've helped them be where they are right now. Like I don't understand why they're doing this to my company. You want segregation back. You're making companies roll back on DEI. People are struggling with insurance. You're out here giving us signs saying they are peaceful signs. I don't know how peaceful that is towards black people, but I don't understand what Musk wants from black people. The fact that he thinks black people are really gonna have mercy on him and, just be there to pamper him, whatever he does when he comes out and says these words, his happiness outbursts on Twitter when he is mocking black people, like bringing Chauvin out of prison. Oh, I expected Democrats to be nice people that have sympathy, like literally I never. Unless if Democrats are stupid. I don't think they are stupid. They will be stupid not to take you serious when you're doing things, because you are changing not only their lives from good to worse, you are affecting their generations, their wealth and everything. So they have a right to do whatever they're doing. And it's a pity, because I think it's more shocking that people are not just out here like trying to, oh, let me find a new Tesla and then I ruin it. No, people that bought things with their money that are coming from Tesla, they're like, no more. Hence, we need to talk about Kimberly Noel Kardashian. Well, child, Kimberly. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's first see what other people have to say, because, hey, people's opinions, always. And you know what? Hey, yeah, I always see the videos from the left and I'm like, so these are the people that really MAGA thought they're not smart. Do you know what it means like to lose $200 billion in 2 months? How rich do you think you're going to stay after a year, leave alone the 4 years because you're technically president? I don't think Democrats are stupid.
So the reason I'm here is because I'm very worried about America going bankrupt due to the corruption and waste. And if we don't do something about it, the ship of America is going to sink. And we're all on that ship. And this may be a message to, people out there who have, are wealthy, have a lot of means, or control companies. It's like, just remember, we're all in ship of America here. Your company is not going to exist if the ship of America sinks. And we should do everything we possibly can to ensure that America is strong for far into the future.
I think that is a face of a very nervous man who does not know how certain tomorrow is going to be with his company. I think this is him trying to catch people into this notion of we are in this together. You gotta have sympathy for me. I mean, like, yes, my company is going down, but yours could go down too. I feel like it's giving that energy. But you know what? Let's see more of it. I've realized that the word funding and coordinating is coming out so many times. Like, if you can see the interviews Elon has done lately, it's like, oh, someone out there is literally organizing this and doing the most. It's people. And you know what? I don't think this man knows that it's not only the left that don't like you. And what makes him sure that it's the Democrats that are doing this only? Because recently we've been seeing a lot of white people coming out and regretting, MAGA regrets, 24/7, since even last year. Oh my God, we didn't know things were going to be like this. What makes him think that they're not angry? Man, I'm checking the comment section here and it is crazy. Billionaires cries victim because he directly Democrats and finds out people have more power than he can buy. Exactly. And yeah, let me tell you, always people remember, black people remember, you are way more powerful than you think. And I love this comment. Why do you assume it's the Democrats? A lot of Republicans are pretty angry too. Exactly. Like, wow, dear President Donald Trump is the best in the world president. Dear Sir Elon is the best in the world. I'm shocking to see. Please, dear President. Trump is the best. Wow. And this person's profile is not even white. They're Asian. Y'all. The person is saying, I like this comment because the presenter say, I don't see anything bad you have done. You have done great things for our country. How blind is the presenter, or is his memory restricted to what he reads on the day? As for Elon, I think he's shocked that people are rebelling his decisions as he thinks he's above all that. And that's on period. And I love this comment. Tesla needs to stay out of politics. That's on period. The moment Trump brought a Tesla, you're doing a Tesla campaign in the White House. Hello, don't your people have needs? That's what pisses people off. That's it. Y'all tell me what you think in the comment section. And you know what? Let's just see what other people have to say about this.
Tesla news make me happy. As Tesla stocks dropped in recent weeks, members of their boards has been selling off their stocks. Millions of dollars of their stocks. Together, 4 of their top officers have offloaded $100 million of their stocks. Oh, Elon, what are you going to do next? As always, have the day that you voted for.